A difference that we might try to do is to maybe I'll use less layers of guitars than the first album. In retrospect now, some of the tracks are really heavily dense. Like there's 3-4 layers of guitars with lots of effects and stuff. And I think it's cool because it makes it, for the first time, it was cool because it made a kind of immersive experience of the more ambient style of post-rock. Maybe we'll try to be more minimalistic in the guitars this time. That is one thing. Another thing is that I was thinking to add some analog synthesizer sounds. I listened lots of electronica and especially like proto electronica from the 70s, early 80s, experimental electronic music and stuff.